that's what we've been fortunate enough to watch and see for the past 14 days. It has been a wonderful, wonderful trip. It is 7 a.m. I'm up before 10 on the last day of our trip, or the last sea day. Tomorrow is technically our last day, but we will be porting into Galveston, so you really don't get to do much on the very last day. Today we have to pack, we have to put our checked luggage outside our cabin door by 11 p.m. You have to cash in any of the chips that you may have won in the casino and that kind of thing. So I did promise y'all a what's in my bag for my large Rowan. This was my travel companion coming down to the cruise terminal and going back home as well too. So I just wanted to show y'all what all I have in here. I'm also gonna have another little reveal video. I don't know if it's gonna go up before this or after this, of all the accoutrements that you have that you're gonna see in here. I probably should put that up before I put this up. So hopefully if everything goes right, you'll see a reveal. It'll be a Louis Vuitton reveal and some wannabes comparing them as well too. Okay, so this is my vintage brown Coach Large Rowan. I love the Large Rowan bags, which it's about equivalent to the Speedy 30, I believe is what about the equivalent is. I like to wear it with my magic strap. I do have the crossbody in here, or I carry a top handle. So this is how it's packed. Most of the things are in here. I do have a lot or several things that I've already taken out that I've used throughout the cruise. Okay, so we're gonna just dig in here. It's a hot mess. It's a hot mess. Maybe I'm trying to figure out if I should change the angle. Well, I get started this way and then we'll kind of see. I do have a organizer in it. I usually don't have an organizer in it. I just pouch everything up, but this time, since I was traveling, I felt I needed a organizer in it. I did bring along my Coach Cherry wristlet. This is part of a 3-piece, and I had taken it apart and I just brought this. I had used this as my medical pouch that had my ibuprofen, my ladies products, all that kind of stuff in there. So I took it out of here and I used it in my scooter pouch, what I use in there. I brought this, my Coach quilted essentials, one of my favorite SLGs. You would have seen this in the reveal. It's my Louis Vuitton brand new cruise mini pochette. I finally got one. I saved up all year for myself, to treat myself for my birthday, for the cruise, and for my birthday, a few LV pieces. So this is another kind of catch-all. I have backup medicine, some backup Motrin, a perfume. This is the Hermes Cabriole sample. I gave my daughter the one that I bought because she liked it. I'll put this on today. I have the chapstick. I have my Christian Dior lipstick. Let's see, 999 red. I'm in my pajamas and early in the morning, so this is as good as it gets today. No makeup today. Hand sanitizer, hand lotion, some mints, and ladies products. All fits in here, so that's actually carries quite a bit. So I was very happy to be able to get this, and you'll see a little bit more information about it in my reveal video. So yes, what's up, babe? What's the matter?
Lost another $100.
Why do you even play the slot machine?
There's nothing else open right now.
Oh, okay, so back to this. I have, I have brought this in here, and I also, in here, looks a little fat because I keep my correction tape back here, and in case I change things up, and I have to update it because I changed a lot of things that I was going to do up on here. I'll set that over on the chair. I have my scopolamine, which is my motion sickness patches. I definitely use these. I start them usually about 3 days before we travel to Galveston, to the port. And then I usually use them like the first 3 or 4 days on the cruise ship. Once I kind of get acclimated, then I usually don't wear them, and then I start putting them on. I'll put them on today for the trip home. Once I'm on board and you kind of get used to the cruise ship, I don't have any motion sickness. I do get a lot of motion sickness in the car. I know how to kind of handle myself on the cruise ship, and as long as it's not really windy, really rocky, then I'm pretty good. So that was on this side. Okay, here I brought this pouch. Love this little pouch. It's also corner wristlet. In here I have, what do I have in here? Oh, I have some RFID containers for my credit cards. I have my little Louis Vuitton key clay, and I have several of my credit cards that are in here, debit cards, medical cards, miscellaneous stuff, and I have some more mints. I like to have fresh breath. When I'm on a long trip, I usually bring a lot of cards because I don't want to be without. I'm not sure what I'll need or not need, or I might have a little bit of money, $30 on here, $50 on there, and so I need them all. Here is my one of my microphones. I'm not using it today. Hopefully you can hear me. If not, well, I think I'd be able to take this out more. Okay, yeah, so this is just an Amazon special felt, what is this called? Organizer. It has a place for a key keeper. I just, you have it here and there, and I just attach it together. This is what it looks like. And here I have the box that has all of them, and then I break these down into a patch and the motion sickness patch and a hand sanitizer and also some alcohol. Put a little bit of alcohol, and then you clean your back of your ear, and then you put a patch on, and it stays on a little bit longer. Of course, I have backup lady products, a bigger hand sanitizer. I have my cuticle, and I added tweezers to it. I have one of my chargers. I also have the white one that was in here, but I took the white one out. I left this one in here. Phone chargers, or it also charges my iPad. Then I have a pen, which I can never find, and attachments for for the devices, in case you need the devices. I have a nail file, and that's it. I will. Oh, okay, and then that's it. That's in here. I'll try to spread things out so that y'all can see them, and take a picture and insert the picture in here. Then I also have my crossbody strap, which, as you can see, I haven't used the crossbody strap yet, but I bring it along with me, and I always carry it with me in case I need it. And that's it. Then it is empty. So this was the first time that I carried this particular bag since I purchased it. Okay, let me get this a little bit organized and then we'll wrap up. So I just kind of wanted to give you this angle. Right here is where I put my crossbody. Back here is where I put my notebook behind the organizer. And then I used all the little pockets in the organizer for that. So this is a really good organizer. I think I got it for like $7 or something like that on sale. So it came out really handy. Okay, Bean Beauties, yes, so this was my car bag carry for pretty much, I had everything that I needed to come down. I'm trying to think if I had a tote as well. Well, I did bring a tote, but it was mainly because I had my medications. I had to bring my medications on ice and stuff down, but everything else I was able to fit in here this time that was not packed into my suitcases. Okay, so I do have some videos that I'm working on. You should have already had the opportunity to watch my vlog shopping in Puerto Rico. I'm working on what bags I brought. It's a requested video, what bags I brought on the trip with me. I'm working on that one. I'm going to have the Louis Vuitton reveal. Maybe I'll do it here right after this one, but you should have seen it before this one. I know. It's the magic of scheduling. Then today that I'm recording this, you should see my one of my birthday bags for my Gucci Marmont Super Mini now, I guess is what they're called. It's one of the old ones that dare call it vintage ones. They're no longer produced. It's the one with the little heart in the back. That one's only a 12-minute video. Y'all should be able to see that. Today is going to be filled with just a bunch of stuff that we got to get done. We want to try to do it earlier. The hubs came in. He's packing. Poor baby lost. He lost a gambling today.
Slots suck.
He says slots suck. He loses at slots all the time. I actually did pretty good.
Roulette.
at roulette. I did good. I only play roulette. I'll maybe tell y'all that on a different video. I'll tell you about that. Thank y'all so much. Thank you for all of those who have come to my channel, who have subscribed recently. Thank you so much. Trying to get to 2K. Definitely this year. Was hoping to get there by my birthday, February the 20th. We'll see. We're at 17 something. And I'll put it up on the screen where I'm at, trying to get to 2K. Anything that you can do to help me make my channel grow, I would greatly appreciate it. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, love y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Bye-bye. I'll leave y'all with some ocean. How's that?